right, hello everyone. I'm Nina, and today I'd like to share how to create 1 minute short video and how to build an idea step by step. Now, let's take a look at the use first place video to see what made it stand out.
My name is Jaslyn Kwan, and I'm 16 years old. My gift to America is my passion for dance. I'm beyond grateful for my coaches and family, and it's my honor to do my part to give back to the communities. I founded a nonprofit program 5 years ago to make a difference through dance. I fundraised for the San Francisco Unlock Senior Center, Super Joey Foundation, U.S. Chinese Charity Organization, and many others. And I don't just do it all by myself. I work with other youth dancers to make a difference together. I feel truly blessed to have all their help and support. I also loved performing Snow Queen at Bayer Ballet during the winter to bring joy to our communities. Besides performances, I volunteered to teach young students in many organizations, including Boys and Girls Club and Sunday Friends, where I taught dance and stretching classes, bringing education, joy, and health. I feel honored to be recognized by the Mayor of Dublin and to receive the Presidential Scholars Gold Award. Next, my goal is to explore how AI can help athletes and dancers. Thank you.
All right, now that we watched the video, so what do you think was the biggest reason the video got the first place? Feel free to shout it out. There are no wrong answer. Nobody? Okay, I will go first. I think this year is my gift to America. So what made her video is so strong is that she clearly shows what her gift was. And she said it right at the start. That exactly what the judges were looking for. And that's why she got the first place. So when you make your video, make sure to highlight your message clearly and connect it to the same right way, and it's really make a difference. So, okay, let's break it down into three parts. What, who, and how. So, what are you saying, and who are you saying to, and how to say it clearly and powerfully. So, let's go to the first part is what story am I telling? Our contest theme for this year is coming to America. So, your story should connect that idea, and it doesn't have to be just about you or your parents. You can tell the story of your grandparents, friends, teachers, your neighborhoods, anyone around you whose journey reflect the immigrant experience. So please focus on the Asian American voice, and we especially encourage stories that reflect the Asian perspective. Your family history, cultural identity, and challenges you have faced as part of the Asian community, or how you have contributed to building a more inclusive future. The topic is wide open, so as long as you connect to the idea of coming to America, it can be a tiny moment or a deep feeling, as long as the real and meaningful to you is worth sharing. So open your imagination, doing a little brainstorming can really help us to choose the right topic, and it's one of the most useful steps in the whole process. So the second part is who is our audience. Like think about who are you telling the story, the judges, your friends, your future self. The video might be seen by judges or other contestants or journal viewers, maybe even your family. About what do you want them to see or feel through your story? If you're speaking sincerely, you already have a powerful message. Also keep in mind, judges are not like looking a long block of text or over complicated explanation. So they will focus on inspiration, storyline, creativity, and meaningful emotion is what truly capture attention. The next part is what do I tell the story in just 1 minute? 1 minute is short, but with the right structure, it's more than enough to tell a powerful story. There an easy structure you can follow in. So start with something that grab attention, maybe on a strong line, a visual or feeling, a rivalry that gives us emotion, a setting, and the sense of the coming. And then you will go into the middle at the moment, the challenge and the experiments. Like, for example, learning English was hard. I didn't understand the joke. It felt invisible in class. So this is where you show and what you went through and help us connect with you. And finally, ending the worm, something hopeful, meaningful, or reflective. So that's powerful, like because it shows growth and gives other hope. So also here's a tip, write script. Writing something down and that will throw version and help you stay focused. You know what you want to say and version to include, and you keep it under 1 minute without feeling rushed. And remember, you don't have to tell your entire life story. Sometimes just a single moment, a feeling, or even a smile can really move people. So how to make a simple videos, and there has a ton of the editing apps out of there, but honestly, CapCut is my go-to. It's simple and beginner friendly, and its best part is you don't need to pay the basic tools. I know now you want to spend your pocket money on an app, so this one is perfect. First, open the CapCut and on the home screen, you will see the new project button and there will be big blue box in the middle. If you will see the video and photo from your phone. And like today's, we'll start with some short video clips and select your clips. And now choose the clips you want to use and you can tap the little circle in the top right corner of each video. At the bottom, you will see once you're select and once you're ready and tap add is on the right corner. So, and then you can add in your timeline. And now inside the editing screen, this is your timeline and show the order and the lengths of your clips. And you can drag the clips around the tab, the white bar to trim and delete part of the don't need. And you also can see a bunch of tools and they have editing, audio, text, overlay, effects, and there are a lot of things. And feel free to try out of these apps, and they will super fun and easy to explore. And the next step is like explore your video. You can see on the right corner, and they will have the explore in the top right corner. You can choose the resolution, and then wait a few seconds, and that's it. Your video is ready to share. And please pay attention. You don't need to 10 clips or fancy effects. Just choose a few strong, clear moments that tell your story. And try to keep the total video at 1 minute. And that's our goal and short but meaningful. And if you are not sure where to start, just write a quick script first. It doesn't have to be the perfect, even a few notes. It's help you plan to see what you want to show. So hope you have an amazing summer internship. Thank you.